Hey guys, this is my classification system for running the gold cube and the sluice. So what I've got is my material. I've got a 1/4 inch classifier underneath that. I've got a 1/8 inch. My 1/8 inch material goes into this red bucket. Then my 1/4 inch goes into this bucket. My tailings go into this bucket. When I find quartz, I put them into this red bucket. And when I find iron, like this, goes into my gray bucket. So this is my classification system. I'm just going to give you kind of short overview of how I do it. I run my material dry and then I wet it before it goes in. And I check everything. Like here's quartz right here. I take that because I know that I'm going to be crushing it. So basically what I'm trying to do is I run my smaller material through the top of the cube. I run my larger material through the sluice, and then I crush the material that I find in this area because it's good material usually if I find quartz. So I'm able to recover from 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, and then whatever quartz I find. And it really works out for me. I've already done almost the equivalent to a bucket. It's windy and cold in the motor load today, but I'm out here anyway. Probably have a mask, but so let's do one of these. Kind of look around for any quartz. That's got some quartz on it. Put it in my red bucket. See if there's any iron. If there's not, I take this out, give it a shake. I put it into my tailing, and then put that one down, and then keep that because I'm going to run that through the sluice, and then I just start all over again. It's pretty easy. It's a quick recovery system, quick way to do it. If this material was wet, it'd be a pain in my butt because I'm cold already, and just for me it's easier to run this part dry as long as my material is dry. So here's a little quartz piece that goes in my savers. So some of the material that like I save like this, so you could see the quartz attached to this. I don't know if this came from the hanging wall, I kind of forget, but or the foot, but it's pretty right in there. That's kind of pretty. We'll see. I just try to grab all the cool stuff, and then if I see like any dirt clods, I kind of just smush them through. Like, I don't have any in this one, but maybe that one. And it's real easy when it's dry. It just kind of crumbles. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial of how I'm running and classifying my material. And then I hope you guys go and get some gold today. Getting gold is one of the funnest things in the world to do. I'm completely and totally addicted, and I love it, and I hope you love it too. Don't forget, Miner Ma does, I do treasure hunts where I hide little gold nuggets all around California, Nevada, and Arizona. And I love to give gold away. I'm really stingy about my gold though. Like I'll buy gold for the hunts, but I can't seem to let go of some of my nuggets. I mean, I have, but just keep that in mind. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a great day. This is just a little quickie, and take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and we'll see you out. May the AU be with you all. Miner Ma, out.